The question is, which of the following is necessarily true for a function f from x to y? If f is injective, then there exists a function g from y to x such that f of g of y is y for all y belongs to y. Option second, if f is surjective, then there exists a function g from y to x such that f of g of y is y for all y belongs to y. Option third, if f is injective and y is countable, then x is finite. Option fourth, if f is surjective and x is uncountable, then y is countably infinite. Now we see the solution. We know if f composition g is a bijective function, then g is 1 1 and f is onto. Now considering f composition g is identity function, then g is 1 1 and f is onto. But when we see in the option first, f is 1 1, then there exists g from y to x such that f composition g is y. This f composition g of y is an identity function. So if we see the right side, then f must be an onto function. But option first says f is 1 1. So option first is wrong. Now look at the second option. Again, f composition g of y is y. That is, this is identity function, so is the bijective function. That implies f must be onto function. So option second is right. Now see option third. It says f is 1 1 and y is countable. We know if f is a function from a to b and 1 1 function, then cardinality of a is less or equal to cardinality of b. That is, function f from x to y is 1 1, which is given. So cardinality of x is less or equal to cardinality of y. But it is given y is a countable function. And that implies the cardinality of x is less or equal to y. So its cardinality can be finite or infinite, and it must be countable because the cardinality of x is less or equal to cardinality of y. So again, it has two options, finite or infinite, but it says x is finite, which is not correct. It can be infinite. Now see option fourth. It says if f is onto function and x is uncountable. Now look at this option. When f from x to y is onto, then cardinality of x is greater or equal to y. Since it is given x is uncountable, then also cardinality of x is greater or equal to cardinality of y. So y can be uncountable or uncountable. If it is countable, then it can be finite or infinite also, because cardinality of x is greater or equal to cardinality of y. So this option is also a wrong. Option second is the correct one.